To make this delicious dip, the first thing I do in a large bowl is I add some finely chopped sultanas. I then add some finely chopped red onion and some finely diced leg ham off the bone. Next I add a couple of teaspoons of curry powder and I give these ingredients a thorough mix. Next I'm going to add just enough whole egg mayonnaise to the mixture. I'm going to stir it through just enough mayonnaise until I can see that the mixture can hold its shape. Once all these ingredients are mixed together, I'm going to carefully put these together on a serving plate. And on this plate, I'm going to shape it into a nice dome. After this, I'm going to pop it in the fridge for at least a couple of hours just to firm it up a little bit. Once my ingredients are quite firm from being in the fridge, I'm going to then take some soft spreadable cream cheese and apply a layer, quite a thick layer of this cream cheese, all over the top of my handball dome. Finally, the last step is to take some sweet paprika and dust it over the top of my handball. Now my handball is ready to serve with some yummy crackers, and I can tell you what guys, this is not going to last long. Store it in the fridge until you're ready to serve.